this will be the one about document filing. So these are the Napa receipts or any other receipts that delivered with the parts. We're gonna file them. This is the one that ordered by mistake, or this one actually going to return. So we just write down return, and we're just throwing all the documents on top of this rack. Then this is the one actually we're going to use for this project or for this job. And this is already converted into an invoice. So job number 15442. So we just call this, we write it down, 15442. Sorry, I wrote on the line, but it doesn't matter. So this way we know which job that one's belonged to. And because the job is done but customer hasn't picked up yet, when it's done, when it's picked up, we're going to staple it together with the other invoice. And this is how we file the receipts for the parts. And for invoice, we print it. If we have invoice here, that means it's waiting to be picked up, right? So usually 2 copies. Ideally, this is the one for transmission rebuild. So we have the final receipts from the invoice from the transmission shop and stapled together with this invoice. That's going to be given to the customer. This is the one that customer is going to sign and pay for it. And this is the customer has a like PO number. So they're actually going to email us, or sorry, they're going to send us a check for this job they just did. So things to be picked up, put it here. We have another invoice put on the top because this is the job that's already being worked on but hasn't been paid, and that's another company. So that company, I think, is Canbar Steel, and they're going to issue a check for us as well. And they always drop off the truck to get serviced and they pick it up and sign the invoice for us. So waiting to be paid, we just put them on the top, either top or second. This is how we put invoice away. If it's a normal one, like the one we already serviced and customers already paid, then it's going to be this one. This is the oil change I just did, so customers already paid for it, so we just put it over there. This is the delivery for some of the drinks. I haven't dealt with that yet, so it should be put in here. Things to be dealt with, we're gonna put them over here. For things already being done with a receipt on it, then we put them away and on the bottom. And I will come back here periodically to look at what invoice I need to work on. So this is how we file the documents.